How to change country, region and language on the Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the country, region and language on the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you have the Amazon application installed over here and then you want to change either the country and region or maybe the language because you don't understand some kind of things, well, to do so it is very simple. Once you launch the Amazon app, you want to tap the three lines option from the bottom right of the screen, and then you just want to scroll down and then look for this option called settings. In case you do not understand a language, you just want to look for the flag icon, right? So the flag icon is the country which is currently selected. You want to make sure to tap on the settings flag option. Again, you'll find another option known as country and language in the same flag icon. Again, you want to make sure to tap on it. When you go to country and language, in order to change either your country or region, currently it is set to United States, I can just select that and I can choose any of the other countries such as India. I can select the language and I can choose any of the other language option here. Once I've done that, I can change the currency. The currency is going to be changed based on the region that I choose, and then I just need to tap the done option like this, and my country, region as well as my language is going to get successfully changed on Amazon. And that's it on how you can change the country, region and language on the Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.